Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Brother MFC-J4555DW printer step by step, from unboxing to Wi-Fi connection and first print test. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important step. Let's get started. Step 1. First, carefully remove the printer from the box. Inside the box, you should find printer, starter ink cartridges, power cord, quick setup guide, installation instructions. Remove all protective tapes, plastic covers, and packing materials from the printer. Step 2. Pull the paper tray completely out. Adjust the paper guides. Load plain letter-size paper. Make sure the paper is aligned properly. Slide the tray back into the printer. Make sure the paper stack is below the maximum fill line. Step 3. This step is only required if you plan to use the fax feature. Insert the telephone line cord into the port labeled line. Connect the other end to your wall telephone socket. If you're not using fax, you can skip this step. Step 4. Plug the power cord into the printer. Plug the other end into a wall outlet. Printer will power on automatically. If prompted on the screen, select your country, select your language, follow the on-screen instructions. Step 5. Choose setup method. The printer gives you two setup options. Option A, setup using mobile app or computer, recommended. Visit setup.brother.com. Download and install the software for your device. Or option B, setup from the printer's control panel. If you see a QR code screen, press Setup without app or software. Then press Yes, follow the on-screen instructions. Step 6. Now let's install the ink. Open the ink cartridge cover. Take the black ink cartridge, shake it horizontally 15 times before installing. Insert the cartridge into the correct color slot. Repeat for cyan, magenta, and yellow. Close the ink cover. The printer will begin initial ink system cleaning. This may take a few minutes. This is normal. The first time you install ink, the printer uses extra ink to fill the tubes. This is a one-time process. Step 7. Follow the LCD screen instructions to set date, time, then press OK to confirm. Step 8. When prompted, choose whether you want automatic firmware update notifications or skip automatic updates. Select your preferred option. Step 9. After ink cleaning finishes, press OK to print the print quality check sheet. The printer will print a test page. Check the lines and color blocks. If any lines are missing, follow the screen instructions to clean again. Step 10. To get the best print quality, when prompted, press Start. The printer prints an adjustment sheet. Place the sheet face down on the scanner glass. Make sure the black circle is in the top left corner. Close the scanner lid. Follow the LCD instructions. This ensures sharp and accurate printing. Step 11. If not already connected, press the Wi-Fi icon on the printer. Select Find Wi-Fi Network. Select Yes when Enable WLAN appears. Choose your Wi-Fi name. Enter your Wi-Fi password. When successful, the screen will display Connected. Step 12. Go to setup.brother.com. Download the driver and software. Make sure your printer and device are on the same Wi-Fi network. You can also connect using USB cable, wired Ethernet if applicable. An important security step. On the back of the printer, you'll find the default admin password labeled PWD. It's highly recommended to change this password immediately to protect your printer from unauthorized access. And that's it! Your Brother MFC-J4555DW is fully set up and ready to use. If you face any issues during setup, don't worry. Contact Printer Support. Our support team is available to help you with fast and reliable assistance. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more printer setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.